Hi everybody, I hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. I am reporting to you downtown Toronto in quarantine. Everybody is staying home, doing their best to try to curb the spread. And I thought while I was here that I could share with you guys some tips on how to style your own hair at home, because we certainly have the time right now. So I thought it'd be a nice time to show you some tricks and tips to make your hair look fabulous for when we're ready to get back out socializing with our friends and family. So today I'm going to show you guys what I call my cool girl wave, kind of inspired by Miss Debbie Harry and other cool rock and roll girls. I get a lot of questions about my hair because it's obviously not natural. So how I get this look, I'm going to share with you today. So what we're going to need to get this look is you're going to need a flat iron, and I figured we could use tools that everybody has. So most people have a flat iron, so we're going to use that today. The other thing you're going to need is a clip. So I like these dry clips because they just give you a lot of control. And the other thing that we're going to need, and what I like to use, is a dry texture spray of some kind. And then what I like to finish off with is also too like a little bit of a wet texture cream. A flexible wet texture cream is my favorite to work with because I do have natural texture in my own hair. I just like to kind of, make it a little bit more PC and cool and rock and roll and all those things, right? So the one I like to use, of course, is our touchable texture, but any wet texture cream that has like a lot of control over it. So without further ado, let's get started and how we get this look. So the very first thing I like to do is use my Radiant Armor, because you really do have to protect your hair from thermal styling. So then what I like to do is I like to take a section. It's probably best for you guys to section out, and what I like to share with my clients is it's like building a house, right? Like you don't want to start with the roof and then go down to the foundation. We want to start from the bottom and move our way up. So what we're going to do is start from the bottom of our hair and move the way up, and we're going to focus on the front part so that we can see this. So what I like to do is just kind of go through around the top of my ears here, or even too, if you want to like maybe go through the top part of your eyebrows, and I just kind of isolate this out of the way, and I use that clip that we're talking about right now. For me, because I have fringe, I just kind of move that out of the way so that I can see. But what I'll do is I'm going to start with this one piece right here underneath in order to create this cool girl wave. So what I like to do is I take my flat iron here, and it is set at about 250. I don't need a lot of heat because my hair is very fine. And what we do is we're going to start pushing the hair up at the root. So the higher that you push it up, the more height that you actually get at the regrowth. And then we're going to be going the opposite way in order to push the hair into kind of a wave. So to show you, we push the hair up, and then we're going to push the hair the opposite way. And then we're going to push the hair up, and then we're going to push the hair the opposite way. And one more time. And you can see how it gives you that kind of lovely bend in the hair. And then what I'm just going to do, just to tell my fringe here that I'm the boss, because I am, is just kind of push her over that way just to make sure that she knows I am the boss. Right, because I like that kind of. Okay, now that my little set has cooled quite nicely and we have these really cool little waves in here, what I'm going to do is go in with my dry texture spray. So with my dry texture spray, I want to get a lot more height at the regrowth, just a lot more movement at the root. And then also too, I want to kind of like really explode this texture so that it's bigger and a lot more undone, right? So I'm going to focus on the regrowth. So whenever we're working with dry texture sprays of any kind, you really want to make sure that you're shaking before you use it, but also to like spray it to where you want to use it, right? So when I'm spraying it at the regrowth, I just go ahead and give it a little massage so it has all that. So see, already we have with color, or excuse me, with the texture, so much more control, so much more like cool movement, right? And again, just really kind of undone and not contrived. Like a lot of my clients we'd call it lovingly like hairdresser hair. So we don't really want it to look like it's just been overstyled or overcoiffed, right? And then when I like to finish, of course, is with my wet texture spray. I love touchable texture. As a curly hair girl, like texture cream is amazing. So what I do is I place a little bit of that into my hands and emulsify it like so. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch up my ends a little bit. Came out pretty cute, actually. Right? And if you want to, you can always finish it with a little bit of hairspray as well, just to make sure it's got that really neat look. But that is really simple, and actually from start to finish, this look probably takes about, you know, maybe 15-20 minutes. So it's really easy going, and also too, it gives you a really nice texture and allows you to have your set last for a few more days. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I actually enjoyed having an opportunity to style my hair, so thank you very much for that. And if we have any questions about any products, please feel free to reach out to us at any time on our Instagram or also directly through flowhaircare.com. Looking forward to hearing from everybody, and I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy, and enjoy your cool girl hair.